The year is 2025. Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It's changing how we work and create. Canva, the design giant, is leading the way with its innovative AI tools. These tools empower everyone to become content creators. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or just someone with a story to tell, Canva AI can help. Canva's AI tools are game changers. They make content creation easy and accessible. Imagine creating stunning visuals, writing compelling copy, and designing professional videos, all with the help of AI. That's the power of Canva. This essay will explore Canva's latest AI tools, Magic Write, Magic Media, and Magic Design for Video. We'll delve into their features and benefits. We'll show you how to use them to create high-quality content. And most importantly, we'll discuss how to monetize your creations. Get ready to unlock your creative potential and transform your content creation journey with Canva AI. Writing can be tough. It takes time and effort. But what if there was a tool that could help? Introducing Canva's Magic Write. It uses the power of AI to make writing a breeze. Magic Write is your personal AI writing assistant. Need to write a social media post, a blog outline, or even a script for your next video? Magic Write can do it all. Simply provide a few keywords or prompts and Magic Write will generate creative and engaging content in seconds. But that's not all. Magic Write can also help you refine your existing content. It can suggest better words, fix grammatical errors, and improve the overall flow of your writing. With Magic Write, you can say goodbye to writer's block and hello to effortless content creation. A picture is worth 1,000 words, but finding the perfect image can be time-consuming. Canva's Magic Media changes the game. It uses AI to bring your visual ideas to life. Imagine typing a description of the image you need. Magic Media then generates stunning visuals based on your input. It's like magic. Need a picture of a cat wearing a hat? Magic Media can create it for you. But it's not just about creating images from scratch. Magic Media also lets you edit and enhance existing ones. You can remove backgrounds, add filters, and even create animations, all with a few clicks. With Magic Media, you have a powerful tool to create stunning visuals that capture attention and tell your story. Video is king in the digital world, but creating professional-looking videos can be daunting. Canva's Magic Design for Video makes it easy. It's your AI-powered video editing assistant. Magic Design for Video offers a library of templates for different platforms. Whether you're making a YouTube video, an Instagram story, or a TikTok, Canva has you covered. Just choose a template, add your content, and let the magic happen. But there's more. Magic Design for Video can also add music, transitions, and even voiceovers to your videos. You can create engaging videos that captivate your audience without any prior editing experience. With Magic Design for Video, creating professional quality videos is no longer a distant dream. It's a reality accessible to everyone. Monetizing your Canva creations, turning your designs into profit. You've created stunning content with Canva's AI tools. Now let's turn that creativity into profit. There are many ways to monetize your Canva designs. Here are a few ideas. Sell your designs online. Platforms like Etsy and Creative Market are great for selling digital products. You can sell your Canva templates, social media graphics, and even print-on-demand products. Offer your design services. Many businesses and individuals are looking for affordable design help. You can use your Canva skills to create logos, social media graphics, presentations, and more. Become an affiliate marketer. Promote Canva Pro to your audience and earn a commission on every sale. You can create engaging content showcasing Canva's features and benefits. These are just a few examples. With a little creativity, you can find many ways to monetize your Canva creations. Step-by-step guide, creating a winning YouTube intro with Canva. Let's put our knowledge into practice. We'll create a captivating YouTube intro using Canva's AI tools. Step 1. Choose a template. Log into Canva and search for YouTube intro templates. Select a template that aligns with your brand. Step 2. Customize with Magic Design. Use Magic Design for Video to customize your chosen template. Add your logo, brand colors, and any other relevant elements. Step 3. Add music and animations. Explore Canva's library of royalty-free music and add a track that complements your intro. Use the animation features to make your intro dynamic and engaging. Step 4. Download and implement. Once you're happy with your intro, download it in a format compatible with YouTube. Then, simply upload it to your YouTube channel. Congratulations! You've just created a professional-looking YouTube intro using Canva's AI tools. Pro tips for maximizing Canva's AI potential. Here are some pro tips to get the most out of Canva's AI tools. Be specific with your prompts. When using Magic Write or Magic Media, provide clear and specific prompts to get the best results. The more information you give the AI, the better it can understand your needs. Experiment with different styles. Don't be afraid to experiment with different design styles, fonts, and color palettes. Canva offers a wide range of options to help you find your unique style. Utilize Canva's learning resources. Canva has a wealth of tutorials, blog posts, and other resources to help you master its features. Take advantage of these resources to enhance your skills. By following these tips, you can unlock the full potential of Canva's AI tools and take your content creation to the next level. Avoiding common pitfalls. Ensuring optimal results with Canva AI. While Canva's AI tools are incredibly powerful, there are a few common pitfalls to avoid. Over-reliance on AI. Remember that AI is a tool to assist you, not replace your creativity. Use your own judgment and make sure the AI-generated content aligns with your vision. Ignoring copyright laws. Be mindful of copyright laws when using images and other elements from Canva's library. Make sure you have the right to use them, especially if you plan to monetize your creations. Neglecting quality control. Always proofread your content and double-check your designs before publishing or sharing them. Even with AI assistance, errors can happen. By being aware of these pitfalls, you can ensure that you're using Canva's AI tools effectively and responsibly. Embrace the future of content creation. Canva AI, your partner in success. Canva's AI tools are revolutionizing content creation. They empower everyone to create professional quality content, regardless of their skills or experience. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, Canva AI can help you achieve your creative goals. Embrace the future of content creation. Explore Canva's AI tools. Experiment, have fun, and watch your creative vision come to life. The possibilities are limitless. Ready to take your content creation to the next level? Subscribe to our blog for more tips, tricks, and insights on how to make the most of Canva's AI tools.